Can you give me a context of like how did you get to know about us? How did you search? Because you know a lot, like you are at the perfect place. You are not looking for an API. How did you get to know about us? Like,
I was like, honestly, I was looking for a solution to this because before we were working with like other products that offer the same thing, but it's just like so expensive for what we're looking for.
mhm,
Because most of the products in the market like have a lot of other features that we're not using, so there's not much return on of investment for us, because we ended
mhm.
up paying for a product that has so much other like how to say capacities, but our only aim is to actually see the conversations. So yeah, like I was doing some research and then I came across your platform,
Understood.
and I wanted to discuss that with you, like if what we're looking for is something that you can provide. I would love to have like a business proposal as
Mhm,
soon as possible, so I can discuss it with the CEO and
mhm.
make like a decision about like which provider we should go for.
Having so many WhatsApp business numbers and no visibility inside your CRM or for the agents is a big problem. So we are working on it. So I also wanted to understand because they are using WhatsApp business, so they also would have a mobile phone and they use web WhatsApp also. What is it like?
Yeah, both of them. So every agent have actually their
Mm-hmm.
own work phone where they
Mm-hmm.
upload their WhatsApp, where they have their WhatsApp business account, and then they can also open it like on desktop. But
So
every agent, all of these people have their own phones and they have their own desktop. So technically, what we have done in the past is that with other products, it was like scanning a QR code and through the products, and then you get access to it. Uh-huh.
correct. So that is the way actually WhatsApp has given you. So there is no integration possible on the normal WhatsApp app, that is WhatsApp business app or WhatsApp app. So the only place where you can do this chat backup and integrate your CRMs, web WhatsApp is the place where you have to scan the QR code and do all this stuff. So
Yeah,
like
that is something we can do because the sales agent work face to face here.
okay, understood. Yeah, then things can be done.
I also wanted to ask you about like, do you have any integration with Zoho CRM or?
Yes, correct. We
Okay,
also have
okay,
integration. So which
okay.
what do you use inside Zoho CRM? So it's contacts and leads or what?
Yeah. It's mainly the two models, like leads and contacts. So what we're looking for also is that um, if, like, for example, like a new lead message a sales agent on their mobile phone, since it's going to be connected to your solution, we would love it if, for example, we can check on Zoho first, does this lead exist in the lead section? If it does not exist in the lead section, check on the contact section. If it does not exist in the contact section, then create a new lead. If it exists in the contact section, then maybe update like note field or like status, etc. So that's something that we're looking for also, because before we had a problem of like duplicates leads. Every time like a customer was messaging one of those WhatsApp numbers, it was duplicating the lead, just creating a new lead for it, which is a huge problem because those leads
Mm.
are assigned to specific agents. And then it ended up recreating a new lead, which gets assigned to a different agent, and two people start contacting the same
Talking to the
customer, which
same
is really
people.
bad.
What we are actually doing is we are actually connecting it through mobile phones. So if the mobile number on Zoho matches the mobile number on WhatsApp, automatically it is connected and you would actually know. So I'll just share my screen and I'll show you. So this is our solution. So this is web WhatsApp and we are a solution on top of web WhatsApp. Okay. So the things we actually discussed, I'll just show you the Zoho CRM integration itself. So this is our Zoho CRM integration. So when you click on this contact and this, if you could see, it's connected. So this is actually connected to a particular contact here. So automatically you would be able to, like update notes, update tasks, update deals, everything from here. Okay. And all your chats are automatically getting backed up inside your Zoho.
Now you showed me like the interface of the WhatsApp, right?
Mhm.
And there's like a side where you can see the lead in the contact section in Zoho. Does that mean that every sales agent, so like all the 150 sales agents, will be able to see that also?
Correct. So every person will have his own phone number. He will connect his own Zoho account. He creates his notes or everything. Like it would be connected, like updated from his account automatically.
Mm-hmm,
So,
mm-hmm.
so we have created this here, so they can easily, update everything. So let's say if they want to, update notes. So I'll just click here, add note. Let's say test. I'll write the description as this is test note, something like this, and I'll just save this. So now automatically this note would be inside our Zoho. We use HubSpot as a CRM. This is just for the demonstration process.
Yeah, no, I understand. Like,
Yeah, no, thank you. So yes. So
can we
let's
check
say,
this for Zoho? Inside
sorry.
Zoho? Can we
Yes,
check this
yes.
inside
So
Zoho? Mhm.
yes, correct. So when I click here, so I can go directly to this particular contact. Not even
Amazing.
have to go to
Need
search.
to search for it and all of that. Okay, that's amazing.
Nothing, nothing. So it's open here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and all my chats are getting backed up automatically here.
1 minute ago, yeah. 1 minute ago by Karan. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So this
The
is the
WhatsApp
note.
message backup from Eazybe, it's just the whole conversation gets saved up.
Correct. Correct. So
Okay,
let's
amazing.
say even your agents forget to make any notes, automatically whenever they are chatting to some lead or contact on Zoho, everything is getting backed up here. So they do not even need to create a note or need to remind anything. So this is actually for them also. It becomes very easy. They have all the notes here itself about all the contacts. Other than that, we also have this Eazybe button here. So let's say you want to go from Zoho to WhatsApp easily. You want to send a message to this person. So you can just click here and you can directly go to this contact and you can send a message. And all the attachments are also getting backed up. So let's
Mm-hmm.
say if your team is actually, so it's inside your Zoho, all the attachments. Whatever your team is actually sending, everything is getting backed up here, and you will have all these details here itself. So let's say you want to open some attachments, would be actually able to like we create a link inside here only, and you would be able to see the attachments too. Even let's say you are sending profile, like PDF files, voice notes, anything they are doing, everything is getting logged here.
Mm-hmm.
You'll have all the things inside Zoho. Moreover, we also have templatized messages. So let's say I have some messages here. So you can actually create, templatized messages for your team. So the advantage here would be, let's say you actually create some messages and your whole team. So let's say if you have FAQs, right? Frequently asked questions, you can create some templates out of it for your whole team here. So we
Mm-hmm.
actually have an option of shared quick replies where you can actually, like create all the messages for your teams. Let's say test message, and you can also put up, details from Zoho. So let's say I want to put up the full name from Zoho, okay, the vendor name, whatever fields you have inside Zoho, you can actually take it here and you can create messages for it. You can create different teams here, so different teams messages can be created from here itself. So managers can create messages for the team and they can give it to the team directly.
This is included in the demo video.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, amazing.
In that I've already shown you the chart backup part. So I would also show you the admin, like how the admin portal would look like for the 23 managers you were discussing.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how the dashboard looks like. So what they would be able to do with this dashboard is they would be able to track all, like how many messages someone is sending, how many people they are reaching out to, when were they last active on this extension, okay, when were their last chat backed up, is like are chat backing up properly or not. Everything, every details would be there. You would be able to track all your 150 users from here. You can just search them. You can check
Okay, so we
why.
can also create teams. So, for example, the manager of the English speaking people will have 13 people under his team. He can only see the 13 people under his team.
Correct, correct, yes.
Okay.
So we
Okay,
have
amazing.
three, yeah, so three things here. So one is admin, one is employee, and one is manager. So the admin will have
Mm-hmm.
access to all teams data and everything,
Mm-hmm.
okay? And then there's this employee. Employee will have just access to his data and his chats, and
Mm-hmm.
the manager will have access to his team's chat, as you said.
Mm-hmm.
So
Amazing.
this
Okay.
is the thing. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
any questions? I think I've covered most of the things here.
Yeah, for now, I don't have any questions, to be honest.
Mhm.
Uh,
So
so
this
you said, as far as I understand, you said that technically your solution already check if the lead exists in case that the, so let's suppose that someone, we never, it's not coming from the ads, it's a new number that is not even in our CRM.
mhm,
For example, my phone is connected to your solution, to Eazybe, and then
mhm.
you message me and you're not a lead. So what's going to happen is that your solution is going to check, does it exist in lead?
Correct.
Then if it doesn't exist in lead, it check if it exists in contacts. If it does not exist in contacts, it creates a new lead, right?
So it will give you an option to create or add. I'll just show you. I'll just
Yeah, that would be
let
so useful. Okay.
yeah, yeah. So let's say this is your number. Okay, this is not
Mm-hmm.
on my Zoho contact. It's not on my Zoho lead. Okay, if you could see, it's not here. So what it would actually do is it is asking me to create a new contact for this.
Okay.
And if like there would be more like contacts inside my Zoho, it would also ask, like, let's say if you want to connect to a particular contact, this contact. So I will just fill up these forms. So let's say uh, Mariam, I'll put up the lead source. So let's say advertisement or
We
anything I
can
can just
we can modify all of these attributes, right?
correct. So
Mm-hmm.
edit, we have a edit button here where you
For
can select.
example,
Mhm.
okay, good.
Yes,
Source of
yes,
the
tell me.
lead, if you want to change it, etc. Okay.
Yes, yes, you can definitely change it. You can just remove all the things you want. So it's quite doable.
No, I'm saying like if you want to modify the lead source options under.
Yes, so this is done from Zoho. So this is all Zoho detail.
Tamam, okay, so
So
whatever we have in Zoho is going to be automatically synced here.
correct, correct, correct.
Okay,
It's
okay.
already synced from Zoho. So whatever changes you make in Zoho, if you refresh, automatically the changes would be seen here. So you can do all the details here. And once you update it
Perfect.
here, all the details would actually be updated inside Zoho also. So it's a two-way sync. It's happening. So I'll just click here, like your contact is already created inside Zoho and it's opening. If you could see, I created your
Mm-hmm.
contact. It
Mm-hmm.
has the phone number already. It has your name. And let's say if I want to, put up anything, I can just put up the details from here and it will automatically be sent. So
Mm-hmm.
both the things are there.
I understand. Well,
Okay.
everything is clear. Yeah. Like, thank you so much, by the way. I
Okay.
really appreciate your time and your efforts.
Same here. Same
I'm
here.
looking
Thank you.
forward to see where this can go to explore the
Definitely.
rest of the
Definitely.
road. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Looking
Have a
forward
nice
to it.
day.
Yeah. Same here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.